How to use the Magnus DWF2 Dolly. The first thing you want to do is take off this strap right here and then extend the legs up and they will lock in place. Next thing you can do is you can unlock this right here and extend it out and lock it back in place, and you can do the same with all of these. You can also extend it to anywhere you want and lock it in place. On the dolly, after you extend it, there's tighteners on the legs where you can put the leg of your tripod and tighten it onto the dolly, and you won't want to do this with every other leg. This is what it should look like after. No, never, and I mean never, use this on rough ground or else it will look like this. If you want, you can lock the wheels in place, and the way you do that is you take this lever right here and you push down on it and it'll lock the wheel in place, and even after that you can still adjust it if you want. And if you do everything right, it should look like this.